Hey guys, this is Family Adventures, and today we are going to be doing another video on the Raptor 90.
Yes, we're going to be doing another video on the Raptor 90. We're going to be doing a comparison on which exhaust looks better and sounds better.
Okay, so we do have a big gun Evo exhaust coming in for this 2019 Raptor. Currently it's completely stock. Here's a picture of the muffler, stock muffler, and the stock header pipe. The exhaust is going to be a full exhaust system install, and we will do some comparisons from before and after once we install the exhaust, and we'll go from there. Here's the startup and a couple revs of the stock exhaust system on the Raptor 90. Here's a full throttle flyby on the stock exhaust system.
We just finished installing the big gun exhaust, so take a look at it.
Okay, now we'll do a startup and some revs. And that's the end of the video of our exhaust install on the Raptor 90 and a comparison of the stock exhaust versus the Big Gun Evo 2 exhaust.
Please comment down below if you liked our exhaust install, and also comment down below if you want to see any more upgrades on this, and if you want to do a comparison
between our Raptor 80 and our Raptor 90.
Yep.
Like and subscribe.
See ya!